Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create your own post on the Autotrader platform. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar, type in autotrader.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Autotrader website. If you haven't logged into your account already, click on the login button at the top right corner and proceed forward with your email address and your password. Once you are logged in and taken into the homepage, in order to make your own post, you can simply click on the Sell My Car option to advertise your car. You will then be asked to enter either the vehicle identification number or your license plate number, followed by the state of registration. After entering either one of these information, just click on Look Up My Car, and then you will be prompted to enter other details of the vehicle's registration information. You can set up your desired price and provide all of the necessary description, including the distance, the specifications, and every single detail that you can include. Once your information has been verified, you can simply click on the post button, and now your vehicle will be posted on the Autotrader platform. People will now be able to click on the used cars section and then filter through to find your vehicle on the platform. And you can manage this ad by clicking on your profile icon at the top right corner and clicking on Manage My Ad. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to make your own post on the Autotrader platform. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.